has temporarily restricted access to Telegram ahead of the NEET-UG 2026 re-examination on June 21st, citing concerns that the platform was being used by organized cheating networks. The National Testing Agency said the move followed a directive from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to restrict access to Telegram in India until June 22nd and disable its message editing feature until June 30th, alleging that it had been used to fabricate evidence of paper leaks. The NTA said the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center had removed several Telegram channels, groups, and bots allegedly used to mislead candidates by offering fake access to the NEET-UG re-examination paper in exchange for large sums of money. The agency clarified that no such paper exists outside the secured examination chain and warned students against falling victims to such scams, while acknowledging that the temporary restriction could inconvenience legitimate users. The move comes after the NEET-UG examination held on May 3rd, in which around 2.28 million candidates appeared at over 5,000 centers, was cancelled following allegations of a question paper leak. The case is being investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation, with more than a dozen arrests made so far. The decision to curb Telegram has, however, been criticized by the Internet Freedom Foundation, which called it a reactive and ineffective measure that affects ordinary users and fails to address the systematic causes of the exam leak. Telegram has not yet issued an official statement on the matter. Hours after the government's announcement, the platform remained accessible to many users in India, and it remains unclear how the temporary restriction will be enforced. So viewers, do you think temporarily restricting Telegram is the right way to prevent exam paper leaks? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.